Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an initiating coverage. Our analysts initiate viewpoint on Samhi Hotels and expect 33% upside over the next 12 months. De-risk business model with diversified portfolio of marquee hotel brands catering to various segments and across key metros with large corporate office spaces reduces the market volatility risk. Acquisition of low-performing assets and turning it around into profitable asset forms core of its growth strategy. Revenue and EBITDA to clock CAGR of 20% and 24% respectively over FY23 to FY26, driven by double-digit RevPAR growth in mature properties of 3,900 rooms, room addition and incremental profitability from recently acquired ACIC portfolio. Net debt reduced by Rs 1,000 crore in last 6 months through IPO proceedings, private placement with net debt to EBITDA at 5.4 times. Company eyes net debt to EBITDA of 3.5 times by FY25 and 2 times by FY26 with reduction in debt through consistent improvement in operating cash flows. Strong growth prospect, focus on deleveraging balance sheet and discounted valuation of 9 times and 8 times its FY25 and 26 EV by EBITDA versus close peers. Next on radar is SRF Limited. Our analyst maintains buy on SRF with an unchanged price target of Rs 2,745. SRF management is optimistic about the recovery from Q4 of FY24 and is committed to its earlier announced medium-term capex plan of Rs 15,000 crore. SRF's focus on fluoropolymer space, HFOs and new AIS 67 for agrochemical, ramp up of pharma business where revenue share target of 15 to 20% in the next 5 years, and introduction of VAP in packaging film would provide platform for sustainable strong earning growth over medium to long term. SRF is a quality player, strong collaboration with innovators and dedicated customer contracts, and hold strong long-term earning growth prospect given the support of China Plus One strategy by global players. Investment in the right areas of specialty chemical would drive a 14% PAT CAGR over FY23 to FY26, along with healthy ROE of 19.6% and ROCE of 19.8%. At current market price, the stock trade at a reasonable valuation of 23 times its FY26 estimated EPS. Next we cover Birlasoft. Our analyst maintains buy on Birlasoft with a price target of Rs 750, as the company will benefit from the leadership revamp and strategic managerial efforts that is focused on execution along with improvement in operational efficiencies. The key hirings under the new CEOs is almost complete and the company appears poised for a greater growth trajectory once macro headwinds subside. The management endeavors to bring around sharper focus and culture with higher customer centricity and sales orientation not confined to new logo addition but extending to quality engagements and offerings that combine domain knowledge with tech capabilities. The company is investing in emerging tech capabilities such as generative AI, RPA and machine learning to stay agile while increasing and diversifying its offerings. Efforts towards driving sales, account mining, rationalizing account tail and other management strategies by the new leadership team are likely to result in strong deal signings and augment the healthy order pipeline, thus supporting revenue visibility in FY25. We expect strong 12% sales and 35% PAT CAGR over FY23 to FY26. Hence, we maintain buy on Birlasoft with revised price target of Rs 750. At the current market price, the stock trades at 24.5 times its FY25 and 20.9 times its FY26 estimated EPS. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing. Investment in security markets are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investing needs. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.